Can we finally stop asking whether artificial intelligence is the future and start asking what kind of future it is actually building right now? In 2026, AI is quietly moving from a fun gadget to invisible infrastructure behind how we work, learn, and even make money. In this video, we will break down what AI is really doing today, where it is headed next, and what that means for your wallet, your job, and your daily life. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It is a system of tools woven into everyday products. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa were just the warm-up. Now we have powerful models that write, code, summarize documents, analyze data, and even act as agents that can plan and execute tasks with minimal human input. Big technology companies now talk less about one flashy AI demo and more about using AI across entire organizations. For regular users, this shows up as AI inside office tools, browsers, phones, cars, and smart homes, often running quietly in the background while we go about our day. Let us start with the real benefits. First, efficiency. AI systems are now handling routine knowledge work, drafting emails, summarizing meetings, generating reports, and checking code. Tasks that used to take hours can now be completed in minutes, giving people more time for deeper thinking and creative work. Second, health. In medicine, machine learning helps detect diseases earlier and supports research by spotting patterns humans would probably miss. By analyzing huge data sets, AI can help doctors make better decisions and accelerate the search for new treatments. Third, the rise of the one-person business. With AI tools, a single creator or entrepreneur can run content, marketing, automation, and analytics, jobs that used to require an entire team. This dramatically raises the ceiling for solo businesses and side hustles, especially online. AI is not just living in the cloud, it is also moving closer to you into what we call Edge AI. Smart home devices, cars and wearables use models running locally to learn your habits, optimize energy use, enhance safety, and personalize experiences in real time. Your thermostat predicts when you are home, your car assists you on the road, and your watch can warn you about unusual health patterns. But now, let us talk about the uncomfortable part. The risks. Job disruption is real. AI automates tasks in customer support, administration, parts of programming, translation, and even some creative work. Organizations see productivity gains, but workers have to adapt, reskill, or move into roles that focus more on oversight, strategy, and human interaction. Privacy is another major concern. AI systems often depend on large amounts of data, which raises serious questions about how your information is collected, stored, and used. Many people are unsure who really controls their data and what happens to it when AI models are trained. And then there is synthetic media. Deepfake audio and video can convincingly impersonate real people. This makes fraud, misinformation, and reputational damage easier to create and harder to detect. Trust becomes more fragile when we cannot be sure if what we see and hear is authentic. To manage these risks, many organizations are building formal AI strategies with clear principles such as safety, privacy, fairness, and accountability. The trend is clear. AI is becoming a powerful but controlled part of business, not something left entirely to chance. Companies, governments, and researchers are starting to focus as much on governance as on innovation. So, will the future of humanity and AI be cooperation or confrontation? Right now, Most experts see human-AI collaboration as the new normal. AI handles repetitive tasks and complex patterns, while humans focus on judgment, ethics, creativity, and long-term vision. In practical terms, this means learning how to use AI as a partner instead of either worshipping it or fearing it. If we train people, design smarter rules, and keep humans in the loop, AI can become a tool that amplifies our abilities instead of replacing us. So, is artificial intelligence truly the future? Yes, but it is not a distant future. It is the system you are already using, and the leverage you can start using to build more efficient and more profitable projects right now. If you want more videos on practical, budget-friendly AI tools that help you automate work, save time, and grow your online business, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. And tell me in the comments, what excites you more, AI as your partner or AI as your competition? Your answer will help shape how we cover this topic next.